She said she was depressed when they announced the postponement of the Olympic Games, a 10-year goal in preparation for that one moment in time. Wow, that was spectacular. The last time the Worlds happened, she was second best in the world, and that was way better than night one.
Coming back from foot and ankle injuries and slowly coming back, but that was a statement maybe on floor just a moment ago. And Suni Lee with her family up there cheering and watching, the 18-year-old who graduated high school this week as well. What's going on? Number for Suni Lee, that's 13.7. All right, over to Suni Lee, the teenager who graduates high school this week, and one of the top names here was second best back in 2019.
Now it's about right at the end of it, she had a little bit of a leg separation. But this isn't her strongest fault. Where she really shines is going to be on the next event, the uneven bars, where, in my opinion, and Tim, correct me if I'm wrong, but if she hits the routine that she is capable of, without a doubt, she is the best in the world on the uneven bars.
I would say so, yes.
And this routine right here, outside of Simone's, pretty much every event, is one of my favorite pieces of gymnastics
in the world, for me. With just keej. Oh, boy. That was probably a good decision there, though. She was supposed to connect right into this.
Which, once again, she only loses bonus.
A whole bunch of combinations again right here.
And another connection that she's supposed to do.
It's still phenomenal. And it's still world class, and it could still make the Olympic finals.
But again, that is something that she does so well. Wait, that's not right there. Something she does so well is she is really able to feel kind of the swing, the bar, and make that decision so quickly. And everything in that entire bar routine is so fast that being able to decide, should I connect this or should I not?
And that's based on what she's feeling in the moment?
Absolutely. And that really comes from a lot of training, a lot of experience, feeling the bar. But take a look at this. Look how high she gets. Her hips completely open. And so she goes down to a low bar, full twisting, hack salto, and she is supposed to connect. And she's a little bit far. Oh, actually hit her feet on the ground, so that's going to be a deduction there.
Yeah, it looked like the judge on the left of your screen. She kind of followed her feet, and she's just so phenomenal. The routine she did night one, the most difficult routine I think ever done on bars, had a maximum starting score of 16.8. This one will be 16.4, 5 maybe, somewhere around there.
Because of the changes, those decisions.
Exactly. She just didn't get set after that major release from the high bar to the low bar. She wasn't ready and wasn't able to get her feet onto the bar quick enough.
Still, you expect a high score, correct?
Oh, yes. The highest we'll see tonight.
14.9, not the highest on bars tonight.
Yeah, she
Who
made a
said
line
it was
out
going
of
to be the highest?
I think I did. Yes.
Speaking of Suni Lee, so it comes down to this for her, that race for second place, she would need a 14.2 or better, the number
to wrap up second. Pay close attention to family.
Scored a 13.9. Night one. But she can be better than that. Excellent. So much harder than it looks. Just jump down off the couch right now and give that a try in the middle of your living room 3 times around.
I'm going to do it here in the booth.
Beautiful, deep connection there. So far, very calm and confident.
Wow. Yeah, where are they deducting now, Tia? This is awesome. Oh. Almost perfect. So hard, though. Aerial cartwheel into 2 back layout step outs. Really good. Really, really good. Been dealing with a lot of different things, as we've said over and over through the competition. She thinks she'll be 100% by trials in just a little under 3 weeks, and I can't envision, I think you said this about Brody Malone last night, I can't envision a team going to Tokyo without Suni Lee. Really gorgeous combination, though. That's the side aerial, right into a layout step out, and then another one, just a little bit off. Every time you add something on top of another one, it amplifies the errors.
And here's that dismount. So same entry that we saw from Simone to back handsprings. Just a double twist.
Little leg separation on the landing.
I definitely could say this is the moment where it sinks in. You put that medal around your neck and you take a big deep breath. Suni, you are the all-around Olympic.